guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel today. I'm hanging out with my friend Jordan.
It's good to be here.
He is amazing, he is awesome, and today we're gonna be playing a really fun game. I've always wanted to do this. It's, you know, the trying to keep up with a professional chef?
I've seen him here and there.
Well, today we're gonna be doing trying to keep up with a pro baker.
I'm the pro baker, obviously, here.
And a big thank you to Undeniably Dairy for sponsoring this video. Jordan, you're a big gamer, and I like gaming. What is the worst thing to happen when you're gaming?
Lagging is not good. That'll mess you up.
No, boo. Also, when you are the lag, when you're feeling down in energy, that sucks too.
It does. That happens every now and again.
Which is one of the reasons I started having Greek yogurt every morning, because it has protein and it helps me #beat the lag.
Yeah, and also really good for digestion.
Yes.
Yogurt helps out with that.
Woo! One of these emojis. Woo! Yes! So in honor of dairy and gaming being awesome, I am challenging Jordan to make these really cool pixelated heart cookies.
I'm very nervous.
I really love this idea. It's super cute because I just realized that dairy gives you energy, but also in games, the hearts, they're your life. They're your energy
That is
in
such
the
a
game.
tie-in. That is such a tie-in.
It's all
Wow,
connected. It's
incredible.
all coming together.
Let's get started.
All right, Jordan, get over there.
Oh, God.
Okay, you're over here. Jordan, everything you need is here, and it's identical to what I have at my baking station. It should be super easy.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, you haven't sabotaged me?
Never.
Uh-huh. I believe her 100%.
All
But if my
right.
cookie turns out terribly, it's because she sabotaged me.
Now, trying to keep up with a pro baker begins.
We're just jumping in.
Bakers, start your ovens. We're gonna be sharing an oven, so I'll do that actually right now. The oven is preheating at 350. Are you ready to keep up with this? I think Jordan's actually getting ready. To make these pixel heart cookies, the first thing that we're gonna be doing is creaming together our butter and sugar in a large mixing bowl. So you're gonna be adding 2/3 cup butter. Now this is at room temperature, makes it easier to cream.
How do I know how much is what?
The butter's measured, but
It's
the
everything?
sugar isn't.
Okay.
And then sugar, you're gonna add 1/3 cup sugar.
How do I know? Oh, I have the spoons.
Then, using your hand mixer, you're gonna beat together, cream them together for a couple minutes until light and fluffy.
Whoa, whoa, you're already assembling electronics? Where's the plug?
And just
Oh,
make
there's
sure,
the plug.
Whoa! Just make sure that you put them in the right holes.
What, no, wrong way? Oh, it's going. I'm nervous about this. What if it just sprays everywhere? It pretty much is. Oh, dude, but my rotors are gonna like clog up, bro. It's just absorbing the butter into the mixers. How do you make it not do that? Why is your butter not inside the rotors? Okay, she's better at this than I am. I don't know why. I work really hard at this on a daily basis.
This is what you want your butter to look like, nice and
Let me see this
fluffy, light and fluffy, like a cloud.
I mean, it's...
Jordan, yours is a little chunky over there.
No, it's not.
It's a chunky monkey over there.
It's not. Hold on, okay,
once
we're about
it's
to get
nice
real
and
light and fluffy.
You're gonna scoop 2 cups of flour, and this is where you do use a butter knife, Jordan.
I have butter all
You
over my
scoop-
butter knife.
Why is yours not?
And then to get a good measurement, you just tap, 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 tap. You chop on the top, and then whoop, slide all the way down, just like that. And it's not packed, but it's very full, and it's very precise and accurate. We love it.
Right, definitely. Yep, I'm
And it
100%
goes.
gonna be. They don't call my middle name accuracy for nothing. Okay, I'm gonna improvise, and I'm gonna use the curved handle of the other measuring cup, which is definitely good for a nice flat surface. Chop, chop, chop. It's definitely chopping further into the cup than it should, but it's fine. Cup 1. Don't stop just for me.
I did it wrong. Now I'm in trouble.
I am the
Oh,
pro
no!
baker. I am the baker here. Can you imagine if she didn't catch that? Her cookies would have been destroyed. The only reason why her cookies are viable is because I told her how much flour to put in. I have saved this
Save the
for
day.
you.
So now we're gonna be adding milk a tablespoon at a time, and this is where some expertise comes into play. Again, you're gonna be using your hand mixer and mixing it together while adding. All right, so
Like, do I have to actually be mixing the instant that when I'm adding it together?
I'm gonna leave that up to you, Jordan, but what we're going for, what the goal is kind of a crumbly dough.
I'm way ahead of you. You're
Oh,
getting
yeah?
behind. You're getting behind,
Oh,
Master Baker.
am I?
Yes.
How many tablespoons did you put in?
2 so far.
2, that's a good number, you're on the right track.
Yeah, but there's a lot more milk in that bowl. Does it need all of it?
It does not, I'll give you a hint,
Oh,
it does
no.
not. Okay, this is what we're going for. Perfect, look at this.
Wait, really?
Nice and crumbly, looks kind of like sand. Now you're gonna use your hands, you're gonna get in there and you're gonna start kneading the dough.
This doesn't seem doughy enough. I don't trust it.
So as you can see, you work it with your
Oh,
hands.
you just straight up put it on the counter.
Oh yes, once it's nice and crumbly, dump it out on the counter, start working it with your hands, and as you work it with your hands, the heat in your hands is what's really gonna help this dough come together.
This is such a mess, though. Are you sure you want me to do this?
Oh yeah. Now, once I've got my dough sticking together, we're gonna take a little bit of food-safe plastic wrap, and what I like to do, because it is a bit crumbly, to stick this down,
Oh my goodness.
and then we're gonna take this piece of dough here, and we're gonna place it in the middle, and we're gonna shape it into a flat disc. And the reason you wanna do a flat disc is because this is a very dense dough. It's extremely difficult to roll out. So, Jordan, Frisbee, pancake, that's what we're going for.
Does it need more kneading? Have I kneaded enough?
Oh, I can't tell you that.
Oh my goodness. I feel like you've
Oh.
been kneading for much longer and mine needs more knead.
Wish I could tell you these things. Perfect. Boom. Now we wrap it up tight. Flip this over. Flip this over. Just airtight. There's no wrong way to do it. And then we're gonna pop the cookie dough.
How are you already? Stop.
Put it in the
Pause
fridge
for just a
about 15
moment.
minutes. Here we go. Boom. 15 minutes. Just pop it
We're
right
gonna need to
in
have 2
here.
timers on this.
And then you come over to Jordan's station and you go, neither, and then you run away. And then while you're doing that, I'm just gonna clean up and get my station looking pretty right
Yeah,
here.
okay, cool,
Okay,
cool.
cool.
Come on, stay together. Stop cracking on me. I am so close. Oh, yes.
One more dish.
There we go. And we're folding it up.
Yes, in it goes. Now, while the cookie doughs are chilling, it's a great time to kind of reset, do a little cleanup and get ready for the next step. So after it's chilled, we're gonna roll out the cookie dough. So what you can do is kind of clean the work surface in front of you and sprinkle down a little bit of flour.
So am I on the clock cleaning the work surface?
Oh yeah. You gotta clean up the work surface over there, Jordan, because you don't want to get any butter or something weird in here. Cookie dough is done chilling, and we've got our rolling pins out here, so we can take it out of the fridge.
I need to get my flour on the table. Whoa, I'm such a professional chef. Look at this. Come to me, my precious.
And when you're rolling it out, if it's still too crumbly at this point,
You're in
you can
trouble?
add a little bit more milk.
okay.
You might actually get ahead of me here because this is where it's gonna take me a minute.
Yeah, but I'm scared. What if it starts crumbling on me when I don't want to like roll it too hard because I'm getting like a split here. It's doing the splits.
Boy, we're gonna need a heavier rolling pin. This one's lightweight.
This is easy.
Wow, muscles. Wow, Jordan.
Gravity
over
is
here
doing all the
with
work.
his-
Do you need the heavy rolling
yeah,
pin?
because this one's weighted.
You're
so
welcome,
you take the light one.
competitor.
Oh, this is much better.
Just a little bit of moisture, dab it in right there. Oh, yes. What's happening, professional
not
baker?
working.
What's happening, professional baker?
This one chilled too long.
What's happening over there? I thought we were good at baking.
We really are, Jordan. It's just been a morning, you know? All right, so you're gonna roll out your dough about a 1/4 inch thick. You can just kind of eyeball it. Pretty standard cookie size. You can re-roll this dough. It will get a little crumblier each time, but you can re-roll it. So you're gonna
Understood.
take your cookie cutter. There you go. And with this dough, I wouldn't suggest putting something underneath it, like a spatula to pick it up because it is a crumblier dough. I'd really use your hand so you can feel and place it onto a cookie sheet lined with a piece of parchment paper, which I've done for you, Jordan. You don't have to
yeah,
do
but
that.
I would have
That's
been, I would have
already
been really
done.
good. I would have been really good at doing that, just so you know.
So you're gonna cut out for these cookies. The bottom has a solid, and then the top, it's really fun. It's also solid, but then you cut out a little hole in the middle. Because that's how you see that cute little piece of jam that's so iconic with this cookie.
And then you get like a You get like a cookie hole, like a donut hole?
Yeah, just like that. And I cook these little bits like the donut holes. All right, so I'm gonna place these on the side, and then you're just gonna fill up your cookie sheet. And this is where you'll have to re-roll, and that's okay.
Let us do the very first stamp.
You got it, Jordan, you got it, Jordan.
Wow, that's actually looking quite heart-shaped.
Oh my gosh,
my
I'm so
goodness.
proud of you. Look at you go.
Okay,
Re-rolling. Here we go. We add a little bit of milk this time because it gets a little flakier. Just a little. Work it in. Re-roll it.
I am a little bit nervous about the whole picking the hearts up. A little nervous about this.
Ooh, Jordan's about to pick up his first heart cookie and transfer it to his baking sheet.
I should have done more jiggle. I didn't know about the jiggle. Oh no, we got a little mess up in the edges. Ah!
And once you get them ready, you're just gonna pop them in the oven at 350, and we're gonna cook them for about 12 minutes. So I'm gonna just do that now.
How are you already there? What? You had like 8. Did I have enough dough?
Molly, set a timer, 12. Thank you very much, Molly Bug.
Why are you so fast?
While those are baking, I'm gonna clean up and set up for some decoration when they're done.
Maybe I might have made thick cookies.
I think that's why.
But that's fine. All right, here we go with the re-roll attempt. I'm gonna make this work.
I also got you oven mitts for when you take your cookies out of the oven.
So I don't burn myself? Thank you for looking out for
I
me.
think you'll love
appreciate
them. They're really great.
Didn't see until after this was presented to me. I'm gonna min-max this, and I'm gonna use the edge of one as the edge of the other. Yes, he's so smart.
Good job, Jordan.
And then all I have to do is I'll use the remainder as a third rollout, which definitely isn't gonna make things super crumbly, in order to make the 8th so that we're on par.
I will say, I have to admit, very good job.
Oh, that's what I like to hear.
That is a good textured dough. He's actually done a very good job over there, and I am very surprised that the dough is still holding together.
It's just a testament
three
to my
rolls.
extreme milk proportion goodness. And there we go. The final stamp goes in. He's done it.
And once you pop them into the oven, we'll
still
cook
need to
them
do the
for
little
12
stamp.
minutes, and we'll set up to do a little bit of decoration. It's very simple. We're using powdered sugar and my favorite jelly, my favorite jam.
Okay.
Go Jordan, go Jordan, go! Go Jordan, go Jordan, go!
Four of them, I think. Absolutely. Wait, how do you get it out from the inside?
Just be really gentle. Oh, I'm not supposed to say that.
Oh, this is gonna be so tough. Come on out. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, there you go.
Don't worry, Jordan. Cleanup has arrived. While you're doing that, I'll clean up over here.
Look at my creation. You wouldn't know that these weren't done by Roe. Oh God, I almost just made the paper go into the, oops.
Cookies coming out. This is perfect timing, Jordan. Yours are going in.
Haste makes waste, okay?
All right, just put 'em in there, be
I
careful.
baked mine with love and care, and that's why they took extra time to go in, is because love and blasting hot air in my face.
All right, Mo, 12
Love
minutes.
and care. It's time for the professional baker to retrieve from the oven. Oh, it's so hot.
Okay, be careful, Jordan. Don't burn yourself.
Just hot air.
It is
It's
really
fine.
hot, so just be careful. All right, now we're gonna let it cool for just a minute and set this up over here. Usually I have to wait for my cookies or cakes to cool for much longer, but because this is more of a shortbread, you can move pretty quickly, which was nice. All right, Jordan, so we're gonna pick up a cookie. Once it's cooled just a little bit,
I don't think I'm cooled off enough.
place it over onto your cutting board or a serving plate, whatever you fancy.
You're gonna get a little ahead of me here.
Then we're gonna take a little spoon.
Why are you getting so far ahead of me? I
And
can't
your
even
jam?
touch them yet. I cannot touch them.
Well, you know what you could? No, you couldn't. No, sorry. Oops, you couldn't.
I physically cannot touch them. Show
Look
me
at
how it
this.
works.
Just scoop a little bit of jelly on top of the cookie without the cutout. And you want to spread it all around. This is also going to act as a glue to stick the two cookies together. And you'll see the little design in the middle.
Now, if I were to do this prior to it being completely cooled, would it be bad for the jam?
A little, but I mean, you could try it.
If I take it off of the metal, it will probably cool quicker.
You're doing good. You're doing great.
They look like hearts, so I mean, there's that.
Is it still hot?
Oh, it's very hot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just keep blowing on them. Now once you got the jam on your cookies, the cookies with the cutout in the center, we're gonna sprinkle a little powdered sugar over here on the baking tray. So I'm just gonna scoop a little bit of powdered sugar and do a little sieve, and then sprinkle. Boop, 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 just tap the side and dust them.
Don't worry, I'll get there in the next 10 minutes.
Then you're gonna place them on top, and the jam acts as an edible adhesive. Your cookies will stick together. Once you got these in place, the final step is to add just a little bit more jam in the center to get that bright, solid red heart. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is.
Don't worry, I'll be there. I'll be
Jordan.
there in just a second, and mine are gonna look also really, really pretty.
When you do it, you get this beautiful like stencil-like design.
It's like you're spray painting with sugar. We're jamming over here, and now, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look, he's so good. He's so good at baking. You've never seen frosting with powdered sugar like this before.
I like the narration.
Oh my gosh, look at that. First one, perfection. The baking world goes mad. I'm actually surprised that they didn't turn out to be a complete and utter disaster.
You know what this is telling me is I should have picked a harder recipe with more decorating, like a cake.
That's debatable.
Ta-da! Here are Pixel Heart Jam cookies, and I have to say, Jordan, I'm pretty impressed.
It's not awful. I put some fingerprints in the sugar, and I don't like that. Yours are just nice and uniform. Mine are a little thick.
Yours are
But it
a
means
little thick.
you get some serious
I
cookie
think-
action.
Let's line these up, Jordan. Okay, so I'm gonna.
What do you want? What do you
I
want? A
just-
single decker
I just
burger? Do you
want
want
to
some
see-
patties in there? You want some double patty action,
I just want
okay?
you to see the height difference.
Yeah.
And you know what's kind of cute is, Jordan, it's like you and me in real life. It's like our heights
Exactly.
in cookie form, but I will say my only critique for you, because you did really good, is that your dough was a bit too thick. Let's take a bite.
Okay.
We have to cheers.
Yep.
Woo! And take a taste.
Actually held together. I thought it was just gonna like break everywhere.
That was so good.
I didn't do too bad.
Jordan, how's that thick cookie?
Oh, it is really good.
And undeniably, Dairy is having a contest for the best recipes where you can win cool gaming gear. Since I teamed up with Jordan for this one, you know I had to make something baking related, but you can make any recipe with dairy. You can enter the contest by uploading either a video or a picture to Instagram or Twitter.
You just have to do hashtag #BeatTheLagContest, tag @DairyGood, and for the full contest info, you can go to usdairy.com/beatthelag.
Link down below to go check it out. I can't wait to see what you guys create. You can do so many things with dairy.
It could be a protein shake, it could
Yes.
be a smoothie, veggie dip, something snack related, just involving some dairy.
Yogurt, literally anything. We made another video over on Jordan's channel, so go check it out. We made something savory.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed doing this. I've never done a keeping up with video, and this was really fun, and I love to see what you did on your own. I found it really fascinating. So anyways, I really love doing this. I hope you guys loved watching it. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And let me know in the comments down below what other videos you would like to see next. And again, a big thank you to Undeniably Dairy for sponsoring this video. This was super fun. I loved it.
No, don't do that. Oh my God. You can't try to sabotage me like
Okay,
this.
okay, just joking.
Look.
It's good, but it's thick. How do you even bite that?
Not that thick.
I'm just impressed. I mean, I'm just saying.